we're in the kitchen and we're making some raw alkaline zucchini spaghetti with cheese. So I have some zucchini right here, already diced up, cut the edges. You can save these. And then you can put them in like a bag. You can put them in something, and you can store them in the freezer, and you can store them for later to add them, like blend them in a broth or just make a vegetable soup or something like that. I'll turn it for y'all. Let me move this cutting board out the way. Kind of heavy. All right, and so you just turn the knob after you place the zucchini. After you place the zucchini in here, you just spiralize it, and it comes out, you know, stringy. Like, so what I do right here with this little piece, because that's like on the other end, the zucchini is being held by a razor, which makes this cylinder come out on this side. And so what I do is I'll rip it off so it won't be in the way, and I'll add it into the pile that I'm gonna store for like a veggie broth for the future. And bam. And you know, you can also eat these raw. You can also eat these pieces raw. You can eat zucchini raw, it tastes delicious. I mean, you can eat it by itself. Like I've had mornings where I'll wake up and go to the fridge and pull out a raw zucchini and just start eating it. Like I don't know, a carrot or something. And it tastes delicious. For the cheese now, what we have is this tahini, right? I got it from Trader Joe's. It's just what I had at the time. So you can always make your own tahini at home. Good. Make sure you look at a recipe how to make it. You don't want to. All right. Look at this. You see how smooth that is? That is some smooth tahini, and it tastes so good. It doesn't taste stale. It doesn't taste burnt. It tastes almost like peanut butter. So there, I'm gonna add the cheese, and I'm gonna season it with these seasonings right here and some salt. Now, what I do is add ginger powder, and the onion powder so it can get that kind of cheesy taste. And then the oregano to let it sit in. Another thing you can do to make it taste even more cheesier is add key lime juice into this. And right now we don't have key limes, so you know, just pretend like, you know, and then you just stir it around. Almost all gone now.